Dear friends, earlier the set login process was a little bit different. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing the new process to log your WhatsApp sets. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp. Now select the particular set that you wanna log and hold for a few seconds. For example, if I wanna log this set, first I gotta click on this set and hold for a few seconds like this. And now at the top right corner, click on this three-dot icon. Now click on log set. Again, click on continue. Now you gotta enter your screen lock password. Right now you are seeing a black screen because the password entering screen isn't recorded by any screen recorder. Now after logging in sets, you see the log sets option at the top side. Just click on log sets. Again, enter your current screen lock password. Now what to do? At the top right corner, click on this three-dot icon. Select the set log settings option. Now turn the side log sets option on. Like this. Just look at the bottom. Just click on create secret code. I'm entering my secret code like this. And now click on next. Again, you need to enter the secret code for confirmation. Now click on done. Now go back. Now see there's no any log sets option here in this page. Now the question is, if there's no any log sets option here, how can you see your log sets? See, there is a very simple way to see your log sets. See, at the very top side there is a search bar. Just click on it. Now enter the secret code that you have already created. I'm entering my secret code here. Now you get the log sets option here. Just click on it. Now all the log sets will be displayed here. So this is how you can log in a set on WhatsApp, and after logging them you can see them like this. And if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want some more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.